particularly from regions like Vietnam's Central Highlands or similar areas in Southeast Asia. Central Highlands art often features bold geometric patterns, such as triangles, diamonds, and zigzags. These shapes are used in various contexts, from textiles to carvings, and often carry symbolic meanings. Nature-inspired motifs, motifs derived from nature, such as animals, plants, and natural elements, are prominent. These might include stylized representations of local wildlife, trees, and flowers, reflecting the deep connection to the natural world. Symmetry and repetition. Many designs incorporate symmetrical patterns and repeated motifs, creating a sense of balance and harmony. This repetition is not just decorative but also has cultural and spiritual significance. Bright colors. Traditional Central Highlands textiles and decorations are often characterized by vibrant colors. Natural dyes from plants, insects, and minerals are used to create bold, contrasting color schemes. Textile techniques. Techniques such as weaving, embroidery, and applique are common. Each ethnic group within the Central Highlands may have its own unique textile techniques, contributing to a diverse range of decorative styles. Symbolic meanings, patterns, and motifs often carry symbolic meanings related to mythology, spiritual beliefs, and social values. For example, certain motifs might represent fertility, protection, or ancestral spirits. Cultural artifacts. Decorations are applied to various cultural artifacts, including clothing, household items, and ceremonial objects. This includes intricate beadwork, carvings on wooden items, and painted designs on pottery. Cultural variations. Different ethnic groups within the Central Highlands may have their own distinctive styles and motifs. These features collectively express the Central Highlands people's identity, beliefs, and connection to their environment. Thanks for watching the video.